Okay. This morning, I'm going to begin by speaking about, who are we? And then Michael will come and speak about what is it that we do in Jamaica and how do we do it. And then he will close by speaking about where does DHL see ourselves fitting in the Jamaica Logistics Hub and how can we partner and service the Logistics Hub players. So who are we? We are a subsidiary of Deutsche Post DHL, which umbrellas the two brands, Deutsche Post, which is the postal service for Germany, and DHL, which is the logistics company for the world. Within the group, we have Deutsche Post mail services, and then we also have various DHL brands, including Express, who we represent here in Jamaica, as well as Global Forwarding, which is also represented in Jamaica, and Supply Chain. If we look a little bit about where we're coming from, DHL began back in 1969 by three gentlemen, Dalsey, Hilbram, and Lynn, who came up with the idea of delivering shipping documents by air to customs offices before the freight arrived by sea. And they began the service from San Francisco to Honolulu. By the following year, they began expansion into Asia Pacific. In 1977, DHL began its small parcel service. And then in 1986, we became the first express company in China through a joint venture with Sinotrans, which is the largest shipping and logistics company in China. It was in 2002 that Deutsche Post acquired 100% of DHL. In 2009, DHL took the decision to exit the US domestic market and focus on our competency, which is time-definite international services. In 2012, we kicked off our CVG hub expansion in Cincinnati and opened our North Asia hub in Shanghai. Globally, we service 220 countries through 500 airports. We have 4 global hubs in Germany, Cincinnati, and in China, 19 regional hubs, 4 global quality control centers, and 2 global IT centers. Our quality control centers actually look like an air traffic control tower. If we look at our regional footprint, we are truly an international company with representation in Europe, Asia Pacific, Americas, the Middle East, and Africa. If you come a little closer to home, the Caribbean falls within what we call in DHL the Americas region, where we have the Cincinnati hub as well as Miami and Panama. And then we get even closer to Jamaica. We've been in Jamaica serving the market for 25 years. We have 2 gateways and 2 service locations, one in Kingston and one in Montego Bay. We have 2 dedicated aircraft and 17 vehicles that deliver our packages across Jamaica. I now invite Michael to speak about exactly what it is we do and how do we do it.
Morning, everyone. All right. Thank you, Gina. Let's pick up where Gina left off. How DHL serve Jamaica import and express needs. We offer a comprehensive door-to-door express courier service, meaning from the supplier to the customer or the importer. We can get your, whatever it is you're shipping, which is our next line for documents, whether it be documents, packages in various size, small, medium, or large. We operate 2 flights, outbound and inbound, both daily, out of both international airports, Norman Manley and NMI and Montego Bay Airport, Sangster Airport. We offer a full and fast, comprehensive custom brokerage service. We also have a local customer service center that is quite reliable, and that is something to note that most customer service now are being, placed overseas. Our customer service is still here locally because we understand what our customers in Jamaica need. We also have adequately trained staff internationally and locally to handle the procedures. We also offer we have dangerous goods agents which are certified. We offer that service. We're in fact the only express carrier in Jamaica that offer that service right now. Some of our tools we work with, here we have real-time tracking for shipments, where area bill preparations are done electronically, or courier scanners, e-signature scanners where customers can actually just sign on our equipment, and it's registered in our system. We offer spare parts logistics service for meaning we can pick up, we clear, we warehouse. We currently have this service with HP, Dell, and Ericsson. So we are in fact, in the business of logistics already. Also, I wanted to mention there's a product that we have, our service called IMP, which is quite reliable, and I think we are one of the few companies that actually does this in Jamaica, where you can import from anywhere in the world and actually bring it in and pay us after. All right. Let's take a look now at our CVG hub, which is our main sorting facility out of the Americas. The CVG hub is a state-of-the-art hub, fully automated. This connects us to all 220 countries all over the globe. The geographical location is ideal to on-time deliveries and pickup, ensuring that we meet transit time right over the globe. We also have 400 dedicated aircraft that's DHL owned along with commercial hires. Over 550 flights per day, and over 400 hubs and gateway globally. Our CVG hubs also have, which is stated there, 5 in-house brokers, a total site area of 46,500 square meters, and another 60,000 square meters, which we're doing now with added investment. Warehouse space of over 5,300 square meters. Conveyor belts running at a length of 5.2 kilometers. We have 20 loading decks. Our parcel sort capacity, meaning the larger shipments, is over 30,000 per hour we can actually sort. And our smaller parcels, which is the documents, over 65,000 per hour. In closing, DHL's role in the logistics hub. We not only being the most international company in the world and the largest logistics company in the world, we want to be, boastfully the logistics provider for the special economic zone. We specialize, as mentioned, in international import and export services, custom brokerage services, the supply chain for semi-finished goods and spare parts, cold storage, which we currently do, but we're planning to even go a little bit further in investing in the cold storage business this year. We want to look at probably investing in reefers coming from off the wharf, connecting to the airport, and transporting whether to Europe or North, whether it be Middle East, wherever it is the connection that you would want this to go. Or we have the existing network to facilitate and increase trade currently, and we're building on this also locally, not just internationally. We also want to increase employment opportunity for Jamaica and contribute to the economic growth and GDP. Thank you.